Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lawofattractionblueprint.com. And in today's video, I am giving you 5 of my guaranteed tips to increase your manifestation power. These are things that I practice on a regular and I notice a significant difference, so I wanted to share them with you guys today. If you have manifested something before, I don't care what it is, how big or small, go ahead and give this video a like. And also, drop an emoji in the comments. How are you feeling today? But let's get into this video. Tip number 1. It goes without saying, you should be doing this anyway. I know, but sometimes we get busy. Sometimes we forget to get our water intake in. Make sure you drink more water. Water electrifies the energy that's within our body. So, whatever you're feeling, hopefully is good. Drinking more water will electrify that good feeling. Number 2 is move your body. Move your body, get some exercise in. And I know these a couple tips, they seem kind of like, what does that have to do with manifestation? Look, I'm gonna let you guys know. For the past, I would say, since I was 18, 19 years old, I've worked for myself. So I'm not out doing a whole lot of moving, and I work from home. So it's a lot of sitting down, it's a lot of laying down. But this summer, I decided to work out at least 3 times a week. And I'm not talking about going super hard, but for at least 30 minutes to an hour out of my day, I decided I'm gonna exercise. I have 24 hours in a day. There's no excuse as to why I can't exercise for one of those, right? And when I tell you, and I thought I was crazy, but I saw somebody on TikTok talking about this. I made the most money I have ever made in my life when I was exercising 3 times a week. I'm about to get back on it. I'm not gonna lie, I have trouble with consistency. When I was doing it for months and months and months, I made the most money ever. And I'm gonna tell you why. I'm not just telling you to exercise just to be telling you to exercise. Yes, it's good for you, but when you exercise, your body releases hormones called endorphins. If I said it wrong, please excuse me. Your body releases these hormones, and these hormones interact with the receptors in your brain, and it basically releases the thoughts of pain in your body. Does anybody here exercise on a regular? And you always feel better after you exercise. Not just your body feels better, but your mood feels better. Also, when you exercise, your body releases the happy hormone. Like, you feel so much better. That's what's going on. Hormones are getting released for the good of yourself. And we all know that in order to manifest the things that you want, you have to be at a frequency to match your desire. And more than likely, if you are manifesting, the thing that you're trying to manifest makes you happy. So you have to be on that frequency to receive it, right? Well, when you exercise, your body is releasing the happy hormone. So it's helping you get on that frequency. Oh, if I forgot to mention, my law of attraction tools are going to be linked in my description box below. I have 16 different guided scripting packets, dream house, dream car, increase your income, success in your business, manifesting a call or a text, etc. Matter of fact, I just had another testimonial come in. Oh, this was sent to me on Instagram. The person said, I feel on top of the world, Amber. I scripted using your dream house guided scripting packet, and I found the exact house I scripted about. Not to mention, I was approved for way more than I thought I would be approved for. I close on the house soon. Thank you so much for making these. They truly do work. So I had a manifest ebook, the guided scripting sheets, raise your vibration audio, and I also have a discounted bundle. You could just download everything. It's available for instant download, linked in my description box. My next tip that you should be doing on regular, not saying that you have time to do it every single day, but meditate. Focus on your breathing. I would set aside at least 15 minutes out the day. You don't have to be meditating for hours and hours. I get it. We all have a busy schedule. But when I meditate, I'm clearing my mind and I'm calming my energy down. And part of the problems with manifesting is controlling our energy and controlling our thoughts, right? So when I meditate, I'm calming all of that down and I'm releasing all of the negative feelings that I have, and my thoughts stop racing. So I highly recommend that you meditate. I do have a guided meditation. She just emailed me this morning and said that she's been using my Raise Your Vibration audio and manifestations are coming in more. If you have problem focusing on your breathing and controlling all of your different thoughts, and just use a guided meditation. I highly recommend it. You're not less than for using them or anything like that. But if you don't have access to any of those, and you just want to practice meditating on your own, focus on breathing in and breathing out. I highly recommend you do it with your eyes closed. You can do it with your eyes open if you want, but do that a total of 21 times just to calm your mind and calm your energy. And the fourth tip, I love this fourth tip, and I'm becoming more in tune with this tip and recognizing that the power in this tip. Get in tune with the universe. How do you do that, Amber? When I say that, I mean get in tune with nature. The sun, natural waters, beaches, grass. Basically, I'm asking you to start grounding yourself. Now, of course, I'm not going to tell you to go get in grass if you're allergic to grass, but when I am out in the sun, you're getting energy from the sun. And so is the grass, so is the sand, so is the water. You don't have to be out there all day. Take 20, 30 minutes. Go put your feet in some grass. Go put your hands in some grass. Go bake in the sun. Get some energy from the sun. A lot of our lives consist of being inside a lot. And so we are missing out on sun. I'm telling you, you're going to start feeling better because you're getting energy directly from the source, directly from the sun, directly from the universe. I am going on a trip very soon, and it is so needed. I need to reground myself. It's gonna feel amazing. Put my feet in the sand, put my feet in the water. Just bake in the sun. Get all that natural vitamin D. Every time I come back from vacation, I feel so much better. Because I'm outside all day. I'm outside in the sun. I'm outside just radiating, just absorbing all of that energy. And number 5, I feel like this is one of the most important tips that I can give you. Limit what is no longer serving you. This can be people, this can be a situation, this can be a job. Clearly you need a job, but if it's not serving you anymore, I would look into proceeding to the next one. This can be bad habits. You know where you are trying to go, and you know where you're trying to be in life. And you have to ask yourself, are these things serving me? Will they help me get to the next level? Is this person hindering me? Is this person draining me? Is this job draining me? Start focusing on things that add to your life and not things that take away from it. These can be your own thought patterns. Your negative thought patterns could be hindering you from your manifestations. Certain people could be hindering you from your manifestations because you could be that person. And this is me too. You could have a huge heart and people know this, and sometimes people take advantage of this. So your blessing could be blocked right now because there's somebody in the way that is not supposed to reap the rewards that you are supposed to be getting. So take some time to really think about, what do I need to let go of? Who do I need to let go of? And I know sometimes it's difficult when you have an attachment to certain things or people or thoughts or your location, whatever it is. If you want to get to where you want to be, you have to make some decisions. 2023 is coming up. You have the opportunity to start fresh. Actually, you have the opportunity to start fresh every single day. But this is a new year's coming up, and you have the option to make this the best year of your life. But you can't be carrying around old baggage from this year or years ago, or things that just don't make you happy. And I'm talking to myself too. I'm not just talking to y'all as if I'm not holding on to things I shouldn't be holding on to. So I wanted to do this video, and hopefully it resonates with somebody. Even if it's one person, I'm glad that I made it. If it does, can you leave me a comment and let me know? That would be amazing. Also, I want to let you guys know I do have personal advice. Basically, how it works is we could talk about is unbiased advice. What would Amber do? How should you approach the situation? An outsider looking in on your situation and being able to read in between the lines of a lot of things. I've been studying psychology since high school. It's not something that I was made to do. I just love it. So relationships. One of my passions is marketing. I love it. If you have a business, you need some kind of tips. But it will be linked below. I opened up a few spots. Like I said, I cannot take everybody because there's only one of me, and I want to give you thorough advice. I really take my time in really reading everything that you send me. So I love y'all. Oh, and thank you for every donation. Cash App, PayPal, super thanks. Thank you guys. I love you guys. And I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.